Whiteboard is a frequently used application in collaborative office. The writing latency is the most important factor that determines the whiteboard user experience. IdeaHub achieves 35 milliseconds ultra-low writing latency, providing users with ultimate writing experience. You can switch between writing with your hands or pens. IdeaHub supports different writing stroke effects, such as normal stroke, and Chinese calligraphy. It also allows two persons to write at the same time. It also supports various smart operations, such as erase using gestures, drag select operation, zoom, and clear the whiteboard with one click. Whereas conventional minute-taking relies on physical tasks or photos, IdeaHub gives you the option to send the content on your personal email. Or save your content on the IdeaHub. And you can also use a USB flash drive to save the minutes. Allows you to continue to edit the minutes next time. The dual screen display helps you avoid screen switching in a conference, displaying video on the extended screen, and using IdeaHub for interactive collaboration. For medium or large-sized conference rooms, the dual screen clone copies your content on the IdeaHub to the extended screen, ensuring that all participants can view the content from any angle.
HUAWEI IdeaHub New Style Smart Office.